Okay, everybody, so far I have this long one with a few perches on it, and then the swirling bead one with the little wood perch on the bottom. And as you can see, still no one is home. We're still all over here. Oh my. So, everyone's hanging out over here for some reason. They're so silly where they choose to hang out. And Cobalt's back over in his little cage. Don't know why, but he chooses to go there. And this is the third one I made. Let me see, I can get a better view of that. There. That little guy. So, now they just have to discover them. I'm especially fond of this one. I think it just looks kind of cool. But hopefully the birds will like it. All right. I'm going to go make some more. This is fun.